We are in dialogue and ongoing dialogue with the Ministry of Education. In fact, just prior to coming on this press brief, I had a phone conversation with the Minister of Education, Minister Williams, and she is going to be doing a statement to the country around face-to-face classes and schools reopening in general. I'm going to leave her to make those announcements, but suffice to say that the team has been very actively involved, the public health team. There was a meeting as late, I'm told, as was it this past week here, where the CMO was present in that meeting. And we're giving all the advice that is necessary, including bearing in mind the recent developments. It's a very difficult call, but the truth is we have to find a way to restore some level of normality, even with the new norm that exists around infection prevention and control. Our students are there. They've been out of face-to-face arrangements for the better part of 2020. There have been implications for that, mental health, a number of other implications, access to greater clarity and understanding, and it is challenging. Having said that, it's really about the balance. And I think the government, the Prime Minister, the Cabinet, and certainly the two ministers, myself and Minister Williams, are very seized with the need to be extra cautious. Now, and she will therefore give you the specifics around schools. On the issue of parents, I guess the advice is no different from what we have been giving. Parents must recognize that the COVID is around, it's everywhere. The community transmission is still there, and they should take the extra precaution to the extent that their children are going out or will go out, in terms of the masks wearing, the sanitizing, giving them the advice around the distancing to the extent that they can social distance. And there are some protocols too as it relates to those children coming home, in terms of how they, change their clothing, where they, place it, their shoes, when they take it off, wear that sort of thing. So there are protocols there that the Ministry of Education, in collaboration with the Ministry of Health, will provide to ensure that the information is there. What we ask is that we follow the protocols.